Okay, this is because a friend of mine wanted to know how we get the guts out of the pumpkins when they don't have the stems on them. Although these pumpkins do have the stems, Wendy. Oh, that one doesn't hardly. But we'll show you how we get the guts out of the pumpkins when they don't have stems. Alright, this is how we get the guts out of the pumpkins when the pumpkins don't have stems on them. Like, since all your pumpkins in Ohio have stems, we'll show you how we get there on the hill there. Woo!
Wow.
See these chunks come right over our head? Oh, they're just hitting still.
Yeah.
And damn, I forgot to put my earplug
Me
on.
too.
My ears are fucking ringing. Okay, here's take 2 of how to get the guts out of the pumpkins. Oop, ricochets are coming over. Yikes. Take 2.
Take 2?
You're on the pumpkin this time.
Yes, I'm all over it.
Woo!
Wow.
Alright, we're on our 3rd pumpkin here.
That's how we make pumpkin soup.
Yeah. Martin's got to go gather up all the guts here so we can make some pie. Okay. Yeah. See if we're ready. Ready. Oh! Right in the truck here.
That was a good one. That was the best one yet.
Well, there's guts from the pumpkin in my truck. See? Maybe we'll save this for the pumpkin pie. As you can see, that stuff flies everywhere.